Hey friends, Jacob here with my cat, and I've got this beautiful cat bowl. I'm actually gonna assemble it real quick and show you exactly what it looks like and what to expect. My cat is definitely impatiently waiting for breakfast, so I'll try and get this done as quickly as possible for her. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. This is a beautiful set from what I can tell, packaged really well, very well taken care of. These ceramic bowls, they're not plastic, they're beautiful ceramic, and they fit perfectly into the actual slots here. But I need to actually do the legs before anything else. 2 ceramic bowls, and then I believe we've got 2 more here as well. These are the components for the actual legs, so we're gonna put those on here in a second. And then these are different depth bowls. So you have 2 shallow bowls here, and then you've also got these deeper bowls, 2 of those. So I'm gonna do 1 shallow and 1 deeper bowl, but let's go ahead and put the legs on first. This is beautiful. I've never had a cat bowl quite this beautiful, and neither has my cat, so she better be grateful for this. But all right, so it looks like we got 2 different types of feet. We've got these like round knobbed feet. It's kind of more like round with these flat surfaces on the bottom, and this would be really good for, you know, a lower profile bowl. It's not gonna be raised up as much. The other leg options that we have that we can choose from would be these, and they're a lot taller, so this would set your bowl up taller. Let me do these first, and then we'll see what that looks like, and then we'll switch them out for the ball feet. Now these do just screw on to the actual bowl itself, so it only takes maybe about 10 seconds per leg to go ahead and screw those in, and super easy to assemble. Beautiful wood piece. It's super smooth, but it's got actual character to it, and like ripples and different wood grain texture to it as well. Really, really beautiful. All right, and then that is your first option for the bowl, and then the other option is to take these feet off and basically put on the other ones, right? I think I kind of prefer the look of this one. I think it's gonna fit better with our style throughout our home. So I'm probably gonna switch all of them to this round foot, and then I'm gonna come back, actually give my cat some breakfast and show you exactly what this looks like. And this is made out of bamboo, so make sure to keep it dry, make sure to keep it out of high humidity areas, but it is a beautiful, beautiful piece. I'm so excited to have this around our home, you know, integrating with the rest of the furniture that we have throughout the home. And this is gonna look so much better than this plastic tub feeder that we have here. This wooden bamboo feeder is gonna be so much more aesthetic and actually fit the vibe that we have going on in this home. Guys, it looks so good. My cat absolutely loves it. Obviously, she just wanted breakfast, but it looks really, really good. I can appreciate the fine details on this. Like for example, the ceramic plates have a cute paw print on them. They're well made. They feel really, really nice to the touch, but they've also got this like non-slip grip back on it. So basically on the bottom is this white strip, and it is like almost like silicone, and that makes it lock into place. Like whenever you put it on the bamboo, it doesn't go anywhere. Like the bamboo usually moves before the bowl does. So it has like a non-slip bottom on it on all of the plates. I appreciate that it comes with extra plates as well in case, you know, you needed some extras, but overall it looks amazing, very functional and very intentional for our home. So if you've been looking for a high quality aesthetic cat bowl that isn't going to break the bank, then I think this one would be one I'd recommend to friends and family members. I hope you guys got value out of this and you enjoy this as much as I do and my cat does, and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.